G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, in this video I'm going to show you a simple little trick you can use to put bronze pads on the end of your homemade steady for your lathe. I mean, most people have a go at making up a fixed steady or something. It's a good little project, but how do you put the bronze tips on the end of the fingers? Tricky. Well, no, it's not. It's dead simple, but it just takes a bit of lateral thinking. So, you know, bronze pads on fingers like that, or maybe a bronze pad on the end of a bolt so that when you're pinched up on something it doesn't gouge the metal. Steel on steel, no good. But a bronze pad on the end of a bolt will let you clamp up against the side of a metal piece without damaging it, because bronze is inherently slippery. It's not as hard as steel. It's the stuff you use for jobs like this. So how are you going to do it? Well, I'll show you. Well, for starters, you need a piece of rod, which is going to be your finger, or you could use square section, whatever you're going to use for your steady finger, or at the end of the bolt, as I said. Then you go through your drills, and you get a drill which is just undersized, just slightly less than the diameter of the finger. Now, a lot of people think, putting a pad on the end will screw it on, or will, tap and thread a piece of bronze, or will, it's all too hard, we'll just put a roller on the end. Well, I don't like rollers, particularly on steadies, because you lose a lot of travel space with them, and it's not, as I'm going to show you, it's not difficult to put a pad on. So you've got your drill, which is just slightly under. So laterally thinking, you don't think about putting it on the end of the bolt, you put it in the bolt. So what you're going to do is you're going to drill into the bolt to probably something like that. We're then going to get some manganese bronze rod. We're going to melt it into the end we've just drilled out to fill the cavity. And then at the end we're going to machine away that tiny little thin wall, and we're going to be left with a manganese bronze tip pad held in securely in a tapered wedge bonded to the steel. How simple is that? You do need nat gas, oxy, or LPG oxy, or I'll do it with a bullfinch torch, which is a special LPG gun. But yeah, come along for the ride and I'll show you how easy it is. Right, that'll do it. That's deep enough. have it. It's as simple as that. A bit of lateral thinking is all it requires, and you're good to go. So there you go. Hard manganese bronze end on your finger for your steady, for your lathe or your bolt, and yep, it's that easy. Okay, well that's it from me. I hope you got some ideas out of that, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers.